It is Friday morning and it's been 6 days since I started my black and white photography, only black and white photography challenge. And I don't want to call it a challenge anymore. I think I really fell in love with this idea. I want to do this for a while now. And I think I'm starting to get a sense of what is right for me and what is different from color photography as I was used to until now. And one of the things I realized is that I like very much the style of abstract photography. And right now I'm going to my favorite camera shop where I got my Leica Q3, and I really want two things. One is ND filter, because in the day I really want to slow my shutter speed a lot. And the second thing is something I hope I won't buy, because it feels really expensive to do it after I bought my Leica. But maybe I'm playing with the idea of buying a small, compact, extremely compact camera, like when I had my Ricoh GR3, and I'm really sorry but that I sold this camera. You know, a small compact camera that fits into my pocket, that I can take with me really everywhere without worrying about the carry, about the bag that I need to bring in case, you know, something happened with my Leica. And in 2 weeks I'm going to Poland for a trip for a couple of days, and I thought it would be really nice to bring both the Leica Q3 and maybe a smaller compact camera that I can carry without other people notice. You know, when I feel like it's too dangerous for my Leica to be outside. Maybe it's just in my head, but I really scared to take it for an unfamiliar places. And maybe just to experiment with other gear. You know, I've been shooting with the Leica for over a year now. I love this camera, I will never sell it. And I think that the standard DSLRs, big mirrorless cameras, are not what I'm looking for anyway. I really love the idea of compact small cameras, and the Leica Q3 is small. It's not that it's heavy or something, it's not heavy at all, it just don't fit in my pocket. And I know it sounds maybe like I want too much out of a camera, but I love shooting, I love photography so much. I really want this to be with me everywhere. It's just so much fun idea. So let's see what they tell me there. Let's see how it goes. By the way, this is how right now I carry my Leica Q3. This is a computer bag, and I don't have any computer inside. I just have my Leica Q3 here, my on-go charger box over there, and I carry it like this. I just got out of the store and got the Ricoh GR3X, the 40mm version of the Ricoh GR3. And the last time I had this camera, I had the 28mm version. This time I got the 40 because a few reasons. I have the Leica Q3 with the 28, so I wanted to mix things up a little bit, and also I find myself crop a lot in black and white photography, and I thought that the 40mm version on the smaller sensor will make much more sense if I want to crop later. And you know, I had the 28mm of this one before. It felt really silly to buy it again, so I just ended up buying this beautiful little compact camera, and I'm really excited about this day. I always love to go into a camera shop and got something new to mix things up, and getting a camera is really like a holiday. Oof. Wow, this is exciting.
It's weird but really nice to get used to the different focal length of 40mm. I didn't try this focal length for over a year now, and it's really shifted my mind. I love the high contrast black and white here. It's super dramatic and unique. And so far I just made a huge round around the city. I took like 200 photos with this. The battery starts to go down, so I think I will shut this off now and wait if something interesting will happen on the way home. I have a lot more to talk about in this with this Ricoh. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.